This is a testimonial for one of the best purchases I've ever made for a cat. Our cat loves dripping water. And as you can see, this is like a flowing river. The cat insists on clean water. And when we leave the water in a bowl, he doesn't want it. He goes over to a faucet. So now he gets to decide when. Yes. Do you like this? Look how much time he spends drinking. So this is the reason why, for the health of your cat, you should have a drinking bowl like this with a pump. Now, I've forgotten what it cost, what its name is. They call it the 360 Drink Well. And some of the features are that you can turn it off very easy. It has a quick pull plug, and the pump underneath works very easily. We plug it in here, and it has about 3 feet wire put up, and then you just plug it in again. That's what the tip looks like. So it's protected. Nobody's going to get electrocuted. UL certified. And the trick, oh, we have a second visitor. You're coming to have some too, petites? She likes to be scratched while she drinks. She's a big pickier. There's the key right there, keeping it at maximum. If it's too low, it doesn't stay going continuously. Come on, baby, I know you want to give a demonstration. There you go. She likes smelling it. There you go. Good girl.